first of all, I would like to thank everyone being here. So actually, hindi ko alam kung ako yung mag-join dito, pero may message ko si Isa. So, pwede pa daw. So, bukas, mag-travel ako going to the map. So,
I will go
yeah.
to other countries.
Yeah, because I need to do some service job in the mom. So, this is the last day.
Oh, last day.
But actually, it's not the last day because
You will go back again,
yeah,
right?
after 1 month.
So you have work, you want that then. Alright, so good luck to you. Ready na ba? Is this the one?
Yeah.
Is this your song?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes, once again, number 7. Mark Andrew, Radolito.
Thank you.
I love you, Mark!
Na-adjust tayo, di ba kuya? Kaya ano? Actually kasi, yung number po na naiisulat nila is 1 to 25. Kaso ang dami hindi nakarating.
Ang dami po hindi nakarating.
So, ang ginawa na lang po namin, para fair tayo sa lahat, yung mga dulas na nag-register,